all, you're working at a festival, which is amazing by itself. You're meeting all these amazing, happy people. You're meeting all these excellent vendors and seeing all these innovations within the hospitality industry. So it's a lot more than you would expect.
Right now I'm doing the culinary demo prep, so I get to help the chefs prepare their food for the demos for the guests. If they need me to carry out something from the demo stage, then I help them with whatever they need.
Nothing makes me happier than seeing student volunteers. So to be able to turn to them and someone else is like, that's Andrew Kaplan, he works with Rachel Ray. And I'm like, yes. And I was a student volunteer about 15 years ago.
It's just been so much fun. There's a lot of learning. I really want to do this again next year, even if I do graduate. You can never stop learning from this.
This is an amazing place for you to be because it's a great opportunity for you to network. So success is waiting for you. Come and join us.